Hello friends, Ruby is fully object-oriented language. If we talk about any other programming language, they are only object-oriented language, but Ruby is fully object-oriented language. Now question is how you can prove that? Answer is in the Ruby everything is the object. How? Let's open the IRB. If I explain you with the example, for example, there is a one car. So car has some properties like gear, clutch, steering, engine, and all other properties. So let's suppose car is one object, and object has these are properties. So the definition of the object is every object has some properties, some methods, some instance. So that is the simple definition of the object, and that's how we can prove that if everything in the Ruby is object, then everything in the Ruby has some methods. For example, if I take the example of the any empty string, it should have some property, it should have some methods, then only I can say it's a object. So let's see. Yes, it has some methods. For example, if I type hello, I can do it upcase, I can do it downcase. These are the properties. I can even check like equal, empty. I can run this command like empty. If I talk about the digits, let me type 5 and see, is that having some methods? Let's check. We have helper methods which define all the methods, list down all the methods for the current object. We can 2f, 2s. We have many methods in that. We have equal to. So in the Ruby, everything is the object. You can prove by putting the method of anything after the object. Like if anything type here, you can put dot method, and if some methods are list down, then say yes, everything in the Ruby is object.